Alright, we're making our way out of Galaxy's Edge, right?
Yes, we just mobile ordered at ABC Commissary. So we are heading there to eat, and then I think we're gonna give Runaway Railway a try.
Yeah.
Get.
Ooh, a buffalo chicken grilled cheese sandwich with, well, I asked for a salad, but they gave me fries too.
So. Oh yeah, and they can't take the food back,
I'm
so.
good with that.
And I got the pork carnitas tacos.
Nice, they look good.
Yeah.
You sure that's not wild boar?
I'm pretty sure, and if it is, you can have it.
Okay. 65 minutes, hi. How you doing?
We're in line.
Ooh.
And getting yelled at. Oh, look, now we're really in line.
Yeah.
Okay, so standby says 60 minutes. We've been in line for what? Not even 10.
Yeah. And food is really good at the
Yes. Oh, we forgot. Oh my gosh. Yes. ABC Commissary changed their menu. I know you said this already. They used to just be like the basic, like, you know, burger, fries, chicken fingers, which again isn't a bad thing if that's what you like.
Yeah.
You can get that anywhere here on property though. So now, I mean, they have like a Mediterranean salad, like buffalo chicken sandwich, grilled cheese or something like that.
I got that.
Yeah, I got the pork carnitas. They changed their menu. So if you're looking for something different other than burgers and fries, definitely recommend, for sure. Yep. We also found the churro cart. Oh. So Ryan's like, churros!
Yeah. Later.
Yes, but
I'm full right now.
This is where we are. We're doing it.
Yeah.
We're doing it. Look how pretty. Potato lane.
60 minutes. Potato lane. Potato lane. We're finally inside.
We're in.
Ooh.
I'm looking for the Potato Land poster.
Lane. And I love the music in here.
I know. Sorry, I'm like trying to keep up with you, but it's like real tight squeeze.
Tight.
Where's Potato Land? Like 35 minutes.
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
It wasn't bad at all. It's at 60.
Not a bad wait.
We're already in. We're like literally almost there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Love it in here.
Me too. I'm excited for this. I'm glad we went on it. Potato Land.
Potato Land.
I'm excited.
Potato Land. Potato Land. Oh, we're stepping into the train. I'm waiting for Mayor Goofy. Where is he?
No, he's Employee of the Month.
Oh, Employee of the Month. That's what I meant. Employee of the Month.
Well, thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I'm so when you have one crazy mind. Love with you by my side. Let's start to be alright. No need for
Third time's the charm.
That was really good.
It is. I like the Congo Park.
They added plexiglass.
Yeah.
Last time we were here, they didn't have them.
Yeah, it's different.
It's actually not that bad. Because
No.
we sat in the back with the plexiglass. It's not that bad at all. It was good.
Yeah.
Yay!
On to
I don't know.
Joffrey's Coffee.
Joffrey's.
Yeah. Or the Tower area.
Yeah, my
No
brother
ride.
wants to go on Tower Terrace, so I think we're going to do that for him.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not, but
he
we're
can
going to
take
go
the
there.
camera with him.
Yeah.
What do you got there?
They have decaf coffee.
Oh my god.
At Joffrey's. And Ryan was nice enough to turn around and come with me and wait for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway again. What? Runaway Railway. Let's try that again.
Tongue twister.
It is a tongue twister.